Welcome to Pirates of the Susky. We're out here, blind 37 on Sand Island, chasing divers and honkers. See what we can bring in. Stay tuned and have a look. I got it. Nice.
Hit him.
I'm out of shells. Chase him, chase him, chase him. Walk out there and get him. He's swimming in circles, he's done. All right, if it's banded, it's mine.
I don't know which one of you shot it, but one thing.
Big ducks. Jesus, Mark, they're a million miles high. All bluebills. All bluebills. We should have Bobby Guy sky blasted. Wow, we didn't get any of those.
No, that one that came in tight, I should have shot at right after the one you did. I think we got one flaring out there. Huh? I think one went down. The one that me and Andy shot at might have. I think it did.
Where'd it go?
Straight off. I know I put a hit on him. He's out there.
Is he sitting on the water?
Yep. Yeah, he's out there. Sure is. Sure is.
What did I say?
Right.
Give me a landmark.
The right where the sun meets that point on the island.
That brighty thing?
Yeah.
That bright thing?
Something's floating out there, it looks. How far off the decoy? About 40 yards.
40 yards?
Yeah, now he's to the...
Look, take a boat ride.
Right? See this decoy right in front of my finger?
Yeah.
The farthest one out? Straight up. You see him bobbing up.
Oh yeah, there's definitely a duck out there. Make sure you keep an eye on him.
I can see him from here.
Is he one of those two that just got up?
It might have been. Keep on your line. He was over in that general direction, probably about another 25 yards.
I found what you're talking about, and that doesn't look like a fucking duck.
Oh, what is it?
I don't know. I'll be in. Okay, so the thing we were looking at was an umbrella, but I did find 2 ducks floating out there.
You found 2 dead ducks?
Yeah. These 2.
What? Who you shot? What are they?
Fucking bluebills.
Alright. I thought I saw one go down. I honestly did.
I was like, what are those 2 guys doing out there?
Those little guys out. Don't worry about those little guys.
But what we were looking at was this fucking umbrella that was floating. All right, so we thought we made a pretty bad shot on those bluebills that came in that big group, but 2 of them fell. So we got 2 more. Hey, I'm not gonna hate. We were reaching out, but still got a couple. Not mad about it.
I swore I thought I saw them.
I said, that's not a duck, that's a fucking umbrella. And I picked it up and was like, whoa.
You're like, I don't know what it is.
And then I turn around and I'm coming in and I'm like, that's a duck. I go over to it and I'm like, that's another duck.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Kill him again, kill him again, kill him again. Kill him again, kill him again. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. That's gonna be a boat run. That didn't work out. All right, it's 5:15 and we are packing up. So, wasn't the greatest day, wasn't the worst day either. So at least we didn't get skunked. We do have 3 bluebills to our name, and we're going home relatively happy. So we're packing up the boat now, getting all the decoys in, and we'll be heading in. So thanks for watching. Nice little short video. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, or you can hit this one right up here. And again, thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless America.